This video is sponsored by Dello Heavy-Duty Lubricants from Chevron. Visit chevronlubricants.com to learn more.
Lighting is one of the top 3 CSA violations, but it can be mitigated with the right electrical wiring specs. An electrical system failure can be serious, imparting onto your fleet fines and unwanted downtime, so invest wisely as you look to put the products on your equipment that will have the lowest total cost of ownership. We have some ideas to keep your electrical system in tip-top shape, in part thanks to our guest, Mr. Battery. Corrosion is the enemy of your electrical system. So the heavy-duty electrical assemblies you should choose need to offer unbreakable, non-corrosive housings and quick-change components. These will help lock out corrosion-causing moisture and the harsh chemicals that are used on our highways. This will also allow you to make repairs when necessary at the lowest possible cost in the least amount of time. When it comes to lighting, it all needs to start with the right electrical connectors that will extend the life of your electrical system. The Technology and Maintenance Council has a recommended practices manual that can provide some guidance when looking to spec out heavy-duty lighting systems for trailers. A key point is the need to stay corrosion-free with innovations that keep the weather out, are unbreakable, and easy to service. Next, it's a letter from our friend Mr. Battery. Dear David, don't forget that battery testing and inspection are very important. If your batteries are not connected correctly and kept in a good state of charge, nothing electrical will work properly. Keeping us clean is the only way to get adequate power to your electrical systems. Don't just look to us when there's a problem. Keep us healthy with each preventative maintenance interval. Another great point, Mr. Battery. Thank you. An integral part of the electrical system is the electrical harness. Even a small malfunction could cut power and lead to an out-of-service violation, or worse, it could leave your driver stranded out on the road. Ensure an uncompromised electrical system by specifying an electrical harness that has a slim design that can fit in the tightest spaces, and be sure that they are first in quality and corrosion resistance. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.